Hi guys, I'm Jake Field. I just prefer to be called Jake. One of the things I'm looking forward to over the next 3 months is everything getting back to normal, being able to see friends and family and to see them and hang out with them because, as you know, everything else around us is pretty well shut down. In Wisconsin, a little less hit state, less hit area, so we can do a little bit of things, but like I said, nothing's really open around us. One way of thinking taking psychology course could be useful in my chosen career field. Well, I'm in the leadership development program, so psychology is very key when it comes to understanding people and what they do and why they do it. And I'm hoping to get whatever I can from this class to be used in that with the chance of moving up at my current position at my place of work. I'm a material handler right now, but I'm taking the leadership development program to hopefully become either a lead manager or supervisor. And I look forward to getting to know and working with the rest of you. Have a good night.